Hello everyone. In this video, we are going to learn how to use WhatsApp for marketing of pest control business. So let's take an example that you own a pest control business. You have created a Facebook page to advertise your business and you're running ads on that page. A lot of people are showing interest in your pest control business advertisement. With those ads, you are getting lots of entries, leads on daily basis. But you are unable to message or reply to those leads and lose lot of potential customers. Now you want to reply to all those leads on their WhatsApp along with a brochure or flyer link of your business. In this way, you will be able to interact with each and every lead quickly, which can ultimately bring more sales and profits to your business. For doing this, you have two options. First, do it manually. Take the details of your customers, of your leads from your Facebook lead ad form, compose a message in WhatsApp, attach your pest control business brochure and send it to them. But this will be a time consuming and a tiresome process, and it becomes difficult when you have large number of leads in a single day. So how you are going to do this? The second option is you can create an automation so that whenever a Facebook lead ad form is submitted, it is filled, automatically your pest control brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. But here there is a problem that there is no direct connection between Facebook and WhatsApp. So how to do this? As a solution, we are going to use Pabbly Connect. So basically, Pabbly Connect is an automation and integration software which will help us in integrating Facebook with WhatsApp automatically. The best part here is it doesn't require any coding skills or programming knowledge. Even a non-technical person can do this very easily. So let us check this in the real time. So this is my pest control Facebook page, A to Z pest control service. This is the Facebook lead ad form, that is pest control brochure form, and this is the form actually looks like. This is the brochure, pest control brochure, which I have saved into my Google Drive over here, and this is the WhatsApp number of the customer. So now I want that whenever the customer fills this particular form on Facebook, automatically the brochure which is saved into my Google Drive, it should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer over here. So let us just fill the form over here and let's give the email address as adamsmith11@gmail.com, and let's give the full name as Adam Smith. Let us give his phone number over here, and now let's click on next and submit. Now thanks, you're all set. Let's check the WhatsApp number of the customer, and here we can see a message. Hello Adam Smith, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z pest control service. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check a brochure which we have attached with this message. You can find all the services which we offer in our pest control service. A link is mentioned. For more details, you can visit our website. Our website address is given. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you. Regards, A to Z pest control service. So here we can see a message is displayed. Now let us check this link also. What is there inside this link? And here I can find pest control brochure.pdf. Okay, so a pest control brochure is shared with the customer on his WhatsApp number. So here you might be wondering that I just filled this particular form, A to Z pest control Facebook lead ad form over here, and automatically the message along with the pest control brochure is shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So how did I manage to do this? So let me tell you, I have done this in just 3 simple steps, and anyone can do this very easily. Step 1. Connect Pabbly Connect to Facebook lead ads. So first we have to go to Pabbly Connect and we have to create an integration between Facebook lead ads and Pabbly Connect. Step 2. Collect the data from Facebook lead ads form in Pabbly Connect. So at step 2, Pabbly Connect is going to capture the data from Facebook lead ads form. Step 3. Send the brochure to the lead on WhatsApp via 360 dialog. So at step 3, whatever the data Pabbly Connect has captured from Facebook lead ad forms, the same data will be used and your pest control business brochure will be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customers. And here we are going to use 360 dialog application for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So in this way, we are going to create an integration between Facebook and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So let us learn the integration process now. For this, let us type Pabbly, pabbly.com in our browser. This is the website of Pabbly. Here we have to come to products and click on Pabbly Connect. This is the landing page of Pabbly Connect. As you are the first time user, you have to come to this sign up for free option. You can create your own account in just 2 minutes by clicking on this option. As I already have an account with Pabbly Connect, I'll simply click on sign in. In the all apps section, scroll down, come to Pabbly Connect and click on access now. This is the dashboard of Pabbly Connect. Here we have to come to this plus sign and click on create workflow. Here we have to give the workflow name. So let us give the workflow name as use WhatsApp for marketing your pest control business. So you can give the workflow name as per your requirement. And now let's click on create. Now here we can see a trigger window and an action window. So you might be thinking, what is this trigger? What is this action? So let me tell you, Pabbly Connect works on the concept of trigger and action. Trigger means when this happens, action means do this. So in this use case, we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically your pest control business brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here in the trigger window, we are going to select the application name as Facebook lead ads. In the trigger event, we have to select new lead. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection and connect with Facebook lead ads. Authorization successful. Okay. And now Facebook lead ads are connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the page that we have created on Facebook account and we have to select lead generation form that we have attached on this particular page. So I'll just take you to my Facebook page. So this is my Facebook page, A to Z Pest Control Service, and this is the Facebook lead ad form, that is Pest Control Brochure form. So we have to select both these in Pabbly Connect. So let us select the page as A to Z Pest Control Service. And here we can see lead generation form is automatically captured, just because I have created just one form in this particular page. If you have created multiple forms, then from the drop down you can select the form whatever you want. Now before clicking on save and send test request, first we have to go to this form and we have to create a test lead of any of the customer. We have to just fill this form on the name of some customer. Why? Because after clicking on save and send test request, it is going to capture the recent response. So we have to go to Facebook lead ad forms and here we have to fill the form. So let's give the email address as shikhaarya25@gmail.com, full name as Shikha Arya, and let's give her mobile number over here and let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay. So the form has been filled over here. Now let's move back to Pabbly Connect and now we have to click on save and send test request. And now here we can see the responses received and the full name, that is Shikha Arya, her phone number and her email address is captured over here. Now we want to send pest control brochure to this particular customer on this WhatsApp number. For that we have to come to this action window and here we have to select the application name as 360 Dialog. In the action event, we have to select send template message. Now let's click on connect. Here we have to click on add new connection. Now it is asking for the API key and domain. So let us read the instructions. Enter API key here. You can create API key in your 360 Dialog account. Log into your 360 Dialog account. Move to WhatsApp account page from the left sidebar and click on generate API key button. So I'll just take you to my 360 Dialog account. So this is the dashboard of 360 Dialog account. I have added the link of 360 Dialog in the description box. By clicking on that link, you can reach to 360 Dialog application and get 360 Dialog service at a very affordable price than the actual price. Here we have to come to this WhatsApp accounts and here we can find generate API key option. You have to click on this generate API key. You have to generate the API key, copy that API key, go back to Pabbly Connect and paste the API key over here. Now once the API key is generated, the same API key can be used for different connections and various workflows. We don't have to generate the API key again and again. In my case also, I am not generating the API key just because I have already generated the API key. Now, the domain is required. Enter the domain here which you will get while generating the API key. An example is also given. So, let us simply copy this example from here and let us paste the example over here. So, whenever our account is approved, we get this particular domain name by default. In your case, if you get some other domain name, please paste that domain name over here. After pasting the API key here and domain name over here, simply click on Save. In my case, I have already created a connection. So, I'll just choose this option, choose existing connection, and I'll click on Save. And now 360 dialog is connected to Pabbly Connect. Now here we have to select the template. So you might be thinking, what is a template? So template is simply a message that we want to send on the WhatsApp number of the customer. As we cannot send the messages directly on WhatsApp, first we have to create a template. We have to get it approved, and once the template is approved, then only the messages can be sent on the WhatsApp number of the customer. That is the reason we have to select a specific template over here. So I'll just take you to my 360 dialog account once again. And here we can find Manage Templates option. Click on this. So these are several templates which I have already created and got it approved. If you want to create a new template, come to this plus sign, Add Template. Here you can give the template name. From here you can select the category of the template as per your requirement. Here you can select the language of your choice. From here you can select the template type. And here you can give the template body text. Then click on Preview and Submit. Then it will be going for the approval. Once it is approved, you can use this template for sending the messages on WhatsApp. So I'll just close this template. And here I'll just open the one which I have already created and got it approved. That is Send Brochure Final, this template. So here you can see, hello, I have given some numbers 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 in curly braces. So you might be thinking why I've kept these numbers in the curly braces. Just because these are the body fields and the values of these body fields are going to change every time. So here in the first parameter, hello, I want the name of the customer. So it is going to change every time whenever someone fills the form. So every time the name is going to be different one. Thank you for showing your interest in. Here your organization name is going to come. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message. We can find all the services which we offer in our pest control services. A link can be given. Your brochure link can be mentioned over here. For more details, you can visit our website. You can mention the website address over here. Note, please save this number in your contacts to make the above link clickable. Thank you, regards, and here again, your organization name is going to come. So let us select this template, Send Brochure Final in Pabbly Connect. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect and here let us find the template, Send Brochure Final. Now here we can see the namespace and the language code is automatically captured. So we are not going to change anything over here. Now here we want recipient mobile number. So the recipient will be the customer who is going to receive the messages. So we have already got the customer details from the Facebook lead ad form. So basically we are going to map these details now, this phone number and this customer name Shikha Arya. So let us map the details. Let us give the recipient mobile number from Facebook lead ads and the mobile number is this. Now we want body field 1, example Heather Ali, that's the name of a person. Here in the template we want hello, here the customer name we want. So I'll just go back to Pabbly Connect and here we have to map the name of the customer from Facebook lead ads and name was Shikha Arya. Now body field 2, example Pabbly Connect. Here in the template we want thank you for showing your interest in your pest control business name is going to come. So the pest control business name is A to Z Pest Control Service. We have to simply type this name here in Pabbly Connect. Okay. So we have written A to Z Pest Control Service. Now body field 3, example is given software. Here in the template, meanwhile you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in our pest control services. So let us just type pest control services. Now body field 4, here we need a link. Here in the template also a link is required. So I have uploaded the brochure on my Google Drive over here. So I just simply make a right click. I'll click on the share option. Now I'll find get link option. We have to copy the link from here. Link is copied to the clipboard. We have to go back to Pabbly Connect and we have to just paste the link over here. Now body field 5 example is given, that is a website address. Here in the template also, for more details you can visit our website. So website address is required, you can give the website address. I'll just simply go to my Facebook account and from here I'll just copy this URL. I'll go back to Pabbly Connect, I'll just paste it over here. Okay. Now body field 6, here again we want the name of the organization. And here, thank you, regards, your pest control service organization name is going to come. So I'll go to Pabbly Connect and we have just pasted the name over here. We'll simply copy this and I'll just type the same over here. And now let's click on save and send test request. Now here we can see the response is received. So let's move back to WhatsApp and check whether the customer has received any message or not. Okay, the page is getting loaded over here. And here we can find a new message. Hello Shikha Arya, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z pest control service. One of our team members will contact you shortly. Meanwhile, you can check our brochure which we have attached with this message where you can find all the services which we offer in a pest control service. So the same message that we have created in the template is displayed on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So here we can see this was the body field 1 value, Shikha Arya. This was second, A to Z pest control service. The third one was pest control service. Okay. Fourth we have given was the link. Fifth we have given was the website address. And sorry, I just clicked on this. Okay. And at last we have given this pest control service. A to Z pest control service, the organization name. So in this way we can see that all the values of the body fields are correctly displayed in this particular message. Now let us check this link, what is there inside this link. So here I can find pest control brochure.pdf. Okay. So the pest control brochure is shared with the customer on their WhatsApp number over here. So now here we can see that our integration is working fine. Now we have to check this in the real time. For that again we have to go to a Facebook lead ad form and we have to create one more entry over there on the name of some other customer. So let us fill this form and this time let us give the name as Sanjay Sharma 11@gmail.com and let's give the full name as Sanjay Sharma and let's give his mobile number over here. Okay, and now let's click on next and submit. Thanks, you're all set. Okay, now let us check the WhatsApp number of this particular customer. And here we can see a new message. Hello Sanjay Sharma, thank you for showing your interest in A to Z pest control service. So the same message is displayed to this particular customer also. Now let us recheck this link also once again. What is there inside this link? And here we can find pest control brochure which is shared with the customer. So in this way we can see that our integration is perfectly working fine and the correct messages are going on the WhatsApp numbers of the customers along with the brochures. Now let us move back to Pabbly Connect and let us just minimize all these windows and see in a nutshell whatever we have done till now. So in this use case we want that whenever the Facebook lead ad form is filled, automatically the brochure, your pest control brochure should be shared on the WhatsApp number of the customer. So in this way we have created a successful integration between Facebook lead ads and WhatsApp using Pabbly Connect. So not just these software applications, you can integrate a ton of applications and automate your business with Pabbly Connect. In case of any queries, you can contact us at admin@pabbly.com. Also the link of Pabbly Connect and this workflow is available in the description box. You can clone the same workflow into your account directly. If you really like this video, please comment, share and subscribe.